So you might find yourself coming in to do a radio show, and there's all these different things that have been scheduled by the programming department that don't necessarily fit what your particular program is. So you might find yourself wanting to delete things from the active playlist or insert some things. So I wanted to show you exactly how to do that. First Night by The Preachers is currently running, but I don't really want this Renessa song coming up next. So what I need to do is hit the delete button, and then hit the delete button on the cut itself that I want to delete. And that sort of gets rid of it. What happens if I hit the delete button down here and I let it go for a while, it's just going to, kind of go back to normal after a few seconds, because it's going to think, well, maybe you didn't really want to delete something, and we don't want you to do it on accident or anything like that. So it should eventually go away, or I could just hit the exit delete. There we go. I can also move things around in the active playlist by clicking on something and swapping it. And I can insert things into the playlist by looking at my library and determining, well, I want to make sure that I play a couple of PSAs right after this song. So I'm just going to look through. The Radon PSA sounds good to me. I just drag and drop it into the active playlist, but I have to drag it on top of the place that I want it to take, not in between or something like that. So if I want it to come up next, I need to click and drag it right onto that next element in my playlist. And it will show up there, and nothing was deleted. Everything else just gets pushed down one place. So that's how you can easily access the library and drag things into your active playlist and potentially remove them as well.